Look at these awesome wood boxes I got on Amazon. I'm so thankful to the brand for sending me these wood boxes. There's 3 of them and there's so many ways you can use them. I'm just gonna stack these up and show you how fun they can be. They're awesome just to give dimension to a space, as well as being great for storing things in, of course. I need something to store all of my paper shreds in for gifts, and these are gonna be perfect. I have so much paper shreds. It's not even funny. They're in 5 different boxes. See, here's some more. These are half-used ones. I don't know what those are. You can even store books, craft supplies, decorations, anything in these. There's a bunch of different ways you can style these, and nothing is wrong or right, but this is how I did it. There's 2 that are stacked up together and 1 on the floor over there, and they really give dimension to this room, don't they? They really do come in handy for storage and organization and for design. These boxes did come unassembled, so it does take 5 to 10 minutes to put together each one. You might be wondering the size on these. They're 16 inches by 11.5 inches, and they have a handle. I love them, and I know you will too. Go check them out today.